Today we're going to be looking at how to edit your user profile on your Garmin Instinct Solar watch. This is the first generation. That's important because we have to do this on the watch. If you have the second generation or later, you could also do this setting on the Garmin Connect app. When you first get your Garmin Instinct watch and you turn it on, it walks you through some variables that you set for your user information. Things like your height, your weight, what wrist do you wear the watch on, etc. What if you need to change that stuff? How would we do it? We're going to start by pressing and holding the middle button on the left-hand side. That's our menu button. That'll take us into our menu. We could use the up or down button. In this case, we want to use the up button because it'll take us to the bottom of the list, and we need to get to settings, which is at the bottom. We're going to press GPS to go into settings, and then again, we can use the up or down button. We're going to go down to user profile. Press GPS to go into your user profile, and then this is going to be all of the information that you pre-defined when you first got on the watch. You can go in here and adjust anything listed. For example, gender. If I needed to change that, you can go into that value and you can say, okay, male, female, switch it to whatever value you want. Press GPS to confirm the value. Same thing with your birth year. If you needed to adjust it, you would just go into that given value and change it to whatever value you need. You can adjust your height, you can adjust your weight. Again, what wrist do you wear the watch on? You can adjust the heart rate values. Now, I don't recommend doing this. The watch has a heart rate sensor and it will automatically set these values for you. But if you have a different heart rate monitor that you're using, or a doctor's office visit or something like that, you can go into the heart rate and you can actually adjust things like what's your max heart rate, what's your resting heart rate, what zones consider your heart rate values. So for example, to get to the maximum zone, 90 to 100%, 80 to 90 for threshold, for aerobic. If you wanted to change any of these values, this would be where you change that. But pretty simple stuff. Go through, adjust your user values as you need. Once you're done, you'll simply press the back button a few times, get you back to your main watch face. That's how you get to your user profile settings on the Garmin Instinct Solar.